Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. I'm going to explain this question in the video. The question says that which one of the following sets of animals share a four-chambered heart? A. Amphibian, reptiles, birds. B. Crocodile, birds, mammals. C. Crocodile, lizards, turtles. D. Lizards, mammals, birds. ओके तो यहाँ पे क्या पूछा है कि इनमें से एक जो सेट है ओके वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेट ऑफ एनिमल्स इनमें से किन में फोर चेम्बर्ड हार्ट है ये हमें बताना है राइट. So when we talk of four-chambered heart, and if we look at one by one all the categories, so let's check. Okay, the amphibian जो है, amphibian is a three, मतलब is a class of animals having three-chambered heart. Okay, amphibians have three-chambered heart. Fish की बात करें तो fishes have two-chambered heart. Okay, it's just for information. उसके बाद यहाँ पे दिया है रेप्टाइल्स. Reptiles have chambered heart. Okay, so reptiles have three chambered heart except, okay, there's one exception, except crocodile. Okay, so crocodile has four chambered heart. Okay, उसके बाद है lizards. ठीक है, lizard के अंदर भी थ्री चेम्बर्ड हार्ट होता है. ओके तो lizard क्या है? Lizard is a type of reptile, right? And we saw that reptile has three-chambered heart. Okay, then if we talk for the other option, that is turtle. Okay, turtle is also a reptile. Okay, it is also having three-chambered heart. Okay, then we have birds and mammals which are left. Okay, birds and mammals, both of them have four-chambered heart. ठीक है, तो इनमें से हमने जितने लिस्ट किया है उसमें से बर्ड्स, मैमल्स एंड क्रोकोडाइल दे हैव फोर चेम्बर्ड हार्ट. तो यहाँ पे जो सेट है दैट इज सेट बी. ओके, विच कंसिस्ट ऑफ crocodile, birds and mammals. That is our answer, right? So our answer is B, crocodile. Okay, birds, mammals. These three have four-chambered heart. Okay, it is B. Okay, I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you.